Lawaan Antique! Yay!
Currently, we are having our 6th Officer Summit with the theme Competent Leadership in Making Cooperatives Build a Better World. So this will be a gathering of 11 cooperatives coming from the Western Visayas, so particularly in the province of Antique. It will be a fun learning activity wherein we can learn at the same time, we can enjoy with all the activities prepared for this particular summit.
Patnongan MPC, making life better. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. From DAO MPC, improving lives.
Hoping na mag-enjoy kami dito with much more learnings para sa aming improvement bilang mga officers sa aming respective na mga cooperatives sa province of Antique.
At sa lahat ng mga katulad kong officer ng ating kooperatiba, sana po ma-enjoy nating lahat ito.
Kooperatiba, kooperatiba, timaw sa pagkukwat ng pamilya. Kooperatiba, kooperatiba, sa kauswagan tingnan kita.
Sa hangkat kang pangabuhi, sa bisan ano nga linahi, sang kadanggo, sang kapamilya, kauswagan maang kenta.